I'm for a Blix RC Rover launch.
Actually, Blix I found quite simple and like easy to adopt as compared to Lego.
It's like an innovation thing to improve our knowledge.
It is an Indian brand. It is easy. It's safe to use.
First, they like Lego very much, so I told them, let's meet one Saturday. And they liked Blix very much, and we started just playing every Saturday, Sunday.
For next 5 or 6 years, we will buy the products from Blix only.